Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to put your name in lock screen on your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. Then type in notifications. Next thing you need to do is to click on lock screen notification and display settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on add text on lock screen. Then right here, enter your name. You can as well enter your phone number if you like. Once you're done, click on save. It's as simple as that. Each time your phone lock screen, you're going to see your name display on the lock screen right here. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.